Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change your Payhip store name. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the products, store, analytics, marketing, customers. We have your chats here and the account. In the middle of the screen, we have the, of course, add your first product, setup check, customize your store design. So these are essentials that you need to go and get started. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your Payhip store name. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically go to the top side of the screen, top right corner, and click on account. And then after that, you need to go and click on settings. Here on settings, as you can see, you have the store, which is your first settings, which you need to go on. And here immediately you can see that you have the store name. So you can go click on here, change the store name, then scroll down, click save settings for your settings to be saved, and your new name will then be updated on your store. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.